Vietnamese, when you change the tones, you change the meaning completely. And I know it's really hard for foreigners to pronounce 6 tones in Vietnamese. So that's why I want to make this video for you. And in this video, I will show you how to pronounce the first 3 tones in Vietnamese. The first one, the flat. The second one, the rising tone. And the last one is the falling tones. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, the first one, the easier one, no tone. Okay, so like you can see, there are no tonal mark above the vowel. Okay, so to pronounce the tone, you just keep your voice flat. Okay, for example, ma is flat and a little bit long, like that. Ma, ma. Okay, this is easy. Okay, and now we practice with some word no tone. Ba. Repeat after me. Ba. Me. Me. Đi. Đi. Ăn. Ăn. Yes. Can you do that? Okay. Hey, the second tone is the rising tone. Okay, when you see this tonal mark above the vowel, that means you have to raise your voice a little bit. It's like when you're making a question, like, really? Li? Like that. Okay, so let's practice with this word. Ma. Go up, right? Ma. Ma. Okay, so compare to the no tone. Ma. Ma. Okay, you can use your hand to practice pronouncing. Like, ma. Okay, and now let's practice with some word. You repeat after me. Okay, let's start. Cá. Cá. Okay, it means fish. Lá. Lá. It means leaf. Bé. Bé. Okay, or em. Em bé. Em bé. Okay, it means em bé, it means baby. One more. Bố. Bố. Okay. The third tone is the falling tones. Okay, when you pronounce the tone, you feel like it's like when you are tired after work. Ma. It's your voice falls gently. Ma. It's still long. Okay, it's like ma, ma, ma. Okay, your voice falls slowly. Ma, ma. Okay, and you can see above the vowel there is a tonal mark. It go down. Okay, go down. Ma, ma. Okay, so now compares to the no tone, the rising tone. Okay, so let's start. Ma. Ma. Okay, it's flat. Keep it flat. Ma. Now rising. Ma. Ma. Okay, go up is like you're making question. Ma. Ma. And now is you're tired or you sad. Ma. Okay, sorry. Ma. Ma. Okay, so now let's practice with some word. Okay. Bà. Bà. It's grandma. Bà. Or gà. Gà. Okay, or we have the word cà rốt, cà rốt. Okay, that means carrots. Cà with the falling and rốt with the rising. Cà rốt, cà rốt. Okay, congratulations! You have just learned the first 3 tones in Vietnamese, and you know, once you master 6 tones in Vietnamese, Vietnamese will become much more easier for you. Yeah. Okay, and thank you so much for watching my video. This is my first video, so if you're learning Vietnamese, can you please leave a comment saying hi in the comments for me to let me know? And if you find it helpful, can you give me a like and a subscribe for my channel? And cảm ơn. See you in the next video. Bye bye.